Kids Learning World.
Hi there! Do you know what a koala is? It's spelled Koala. Have you ever seen one before? That's okay. Let me tell you about koalas. Koalas are cute animals that live in Australia. They have soft fur, big round ears, and a fluffy tail. Koalas love to eat eucalyptus leaves, which are their favorite food. They spend most of their time sleeping in trees, and they're very good climbers. Koalas are marsupials, which means they carry their babies in a pouch on their belly. They're known for being gentle and cuddly creatures. Time to draw. Let's draw a koala together. Here are some simple steps you can follow. Thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. If you ever want to draw or learn something new, feel free to come back. Goodbye for now.